Want to supercharge your workflow without spending a dime? Here are the top 5 free AI tools changing the game in 2025. Today, we'll explore 5 zero-cost AI platforms, each with no credit card required plans that let you write, design, voice, video edit, and repurpose content like a pro. ChatGPT first up. ChatGPT, OpenAI's conversational powerhouse. Its free tier lets you draft blog posts, brainstorm scripts, even debug code. Millions of creators rely on it for ideas and first drafts. Tool 2. Murf AI. Need voiceovers? Murf AI offers 200-plus lifelike voices in 20-plus languages. Paste your script, choose a voice, and download high-quality narration, zero studio needed. Tool 3. Pictory. For video creation, Pictory turns text scripts into stock footage videos with automated scene selection, ideal for faceless channels. Tool 4. Opus Clip. Opus Clip repurposes long videos into short viral clips by identifying highlights and auto-adding subtitles. Great for YouTube Shorts. Which tool will you try first? Comment below, hit subscribe, and let's unlock AI power together.